How is the condom made? We take you to uncover the secrets of condom production process. The raw material of the condom is a natural latex, selecting the latest rubber tree seed tapping in Malaysian rubber forest. Refine the natural latex liquid with the most advanced processing, screening, and separation technology. The clean glass mold is divided into 3 times, dipping into the latex liquid, immersed in the original latex liquid. The latex is continuously adhered to the glass mold, and the latex film is gradually formed on the surface of the mold. Then the film is washed down from the mold with high-pressure water. High temperature vulcanization is also required to increase the physical elasticity of the latex. A finished condom is formed, but it cannot be packaged. Each condom must be done electronic test through the electronic test to see if there is a small hole in the condom. Next, for water leakage test and air burst test. The leakage test is relatively simple. Fill the water and wait for a certain period of time to see if it leaks. According to international standards, it is necessary to rush into 18 liters of air, but our condom usually reaches 30 to 40 liters to burst. A qualified condom can be packed. Adding lubricant, packed into aluminum film pouch and bags, the production is completed. It is not easy to make a condom, right?